Hi everyone, welcome back to Verbal Edge. If you're preparing for competitive exams like banking, SSC, CGL, or CUT, or NDA, or any MBA entrance exam, and struggling with vocabulary, then today's lesson is definitely going to be helpful for you, right? This lesson here will add words to your vocabulary list and will help you to solve verbal section where you get questions based on one word substitution, right? That is a sentence is given and then you have to match it with the word, or you have to provide a word for that particular sentence. The list is exhaustive. The more you do, the less it is, and so try to grab it step by step. I've already given a list earlier, and this is my second session where I'll be giving you today almost 10 to 15 words. Don't miss it and watch the complete session. It will surely be an enriching session for you. Grab a pen, diary to jot down the additional words that we'll be doing along with the list. Ready? Let's start. To start with, let's first match the words with the sentences here. I'll help you in giving the meanings of these words, then try to match it. Okay, the first word here is bohemian. Bohemian, um, I'll just help you in the word. Bohemian is a person who does not conform to the conventional thinking, right? A maverick sort of person. Second word is misanthrope. Misanthrope is a person who distrusts people and who do not believe in everything and thinks that whatever is done should be done for him only. A selfish, reasoned person, a cynic person. Fastidious. Fastidious is a person who is very careful and finicky, right? Takes care in every small details, is fastidious. Insolvent, you must be knowing, is penniless, right? A bankrupt person, a poor person. Mercenary. Mercenary is a greedy person, right? A person who is avaricious, who is greedy, who is not satisfied with what he has, right? Atheist, non-believer, a person who does not believe in God. Ambidextrous, who is skillful, right, and who can work with both the hands, is said to be ambidextrous. Incorrigible, incorrigible is something that is irreparable, right? So let's see whether you can match the words with the sentence. A person who is able to use both hands with equal ease. What do you think is the person, or that person would be called? Yes, that is ambidextrous. The first one is ambidextrous. A person who is primarily concerned with making money at the expense of ethics. A money-minded person, an avaricious person. Yes, it is mercenary. Third is a person who hates and avoids human society. Human society has to do with anthropology. So what would you think? What do you think would be the word here? A person who hates and avoids human society. A cynic person, a skeptic person. Yes, it is misanthrope. An unconventional person, an unconventional style of living, a person who accepts unconventional style of living, does not follow the strict rules and regulations or the conventional style. A person who is a maverick. There's a word like maverick for such person. Maverick is a person who does not follow the strict rules, will be bohemian. That cannot be corrected. Something that is irreparable cannot be corrected. Yes, it is incorrigible. INCORRIGIBLE, incorrigible. One who is one who is hard to please. A person who is very strict and is hard to please. Yes, a person who is hard to please is fastidious. one who is unable to pay his debts, one who is unable to pay his debts would be, yes, insolvent, right. And the last one, most of you must be knowing, one who does not believe in the existence of God is an atheist. Right? So these were 7 or 8 words and the sentences here. Let's do a few more, right? Add to your list a few more words. A good start if you have done at least 5 out of these 8 sentences. Continue with your effort. So let's go with some more words. One who leads an austere life. One who leads an austere life is said to be an ascetic, right? A saintly person. Austere life is saint, monastic or monkish, right? Austere life. A lover of mankind is philanthropist. A person who hates mankind is misanthrope. That we had done in the previous, in just the previous slide. Misanthropist and a lover of mankind is philanthropist. Someone who attacks cherished ideas or traditional institutions, who does not follow cherished ideas, right? Or who does not follow the conventional ideas or traditional institutions is said to be iconoclast. And we have done just a word like maverick, a bohemian, right? Who does not, who follows an unconventional style, right? It does not want to follow something which is already there, right? A trendsetter, you can say, a person who can find things for himself, a non-conformist, right? A maverick. And the opposite can be not a conformist who agrees with the ideas, right? Adherent or a supporter of ideas, right? So bohemian, iconoclast, maverick, bohemian, a person who does not follow the conventional style. One who is for the pleasure of eating and drinking is an Epicurean. Epicurean is a person who gets the pleasure for eating and drinking. Means it will not be someone like who would just hog food, right? Uh, but who enjoys food is an Epicurean. Someone like connoisseur also we can say, who has a good taste for certain things, right? So Epicurean is who has the pleasure of eating and drinking. A system of government by one person with absolute power, right? A person, a government who has the absolute power is an autocracy, which is there in many of the countries, and then ours is a democracy. बोलने को हो चाहे हो पर it is a democratic country. A self-governing country or region, right, where someone people do on their own, right? It is autonomy. Autocracy, autonomy, dictatorship, right? Autocracy would be dictatorship, right? Autonomy is one who governs a self-governing country. One who does not believe in the existence of God, we have just done it, atheist, right? Agnostic. Agnostic. Bad spelling, if you have bad spelling, it is cacography, right? Bad spelling is cacography. There is a word like cacophony. What is the meaning of cacophony? Harsh sound. Cacophony is harsh sound. There's also a word like, you will be interested in it. Cacography is bad spelling, and cacology, Cacology. Cacology is bad diction. Cacology is bad diction or pronunciation, right? One who has bad pronunciation is cacology, with bad spelling is cacography, and cacophony is harsh sound. I think we should do some words with caco. One who sneers at the beliefs of others is a cynic. One who sneers is to make fun of, right? Make fun of at the belief of others. What others are following, they do not want to follow. They laugh at them. Then that person is a cynic person. Cynical, we say cynical, right? Cynical person is a person who thinks whatever he is doing is right? And others are wrong, right? A pessimist, a skeptic person. Cynical is a skeptic person. A man who is womanish in his habits. Womanish in his habits is girl-like acting, girl-like features, right? Uh, Girlish, I would say. So effeminate is the word for it. Effeminate means a person or a man who has the girlish habits or girlish behavior. Opposite would be something like manly. Cortege is courteous, uh, a funeral procession. Cortege is also a procession as such. For example, we can use this. This is a right usage. One is a funeral procession. It is also used for a body of employees, a group of, BODY, body of employees. I'll just use it in a sentence so to give you the meaning. The movie stars, cottage included, the moving stars cottage included makeup man, what would you say, hairstylist, right? Dressing up man. So that is a body of number of employees. So that is also called as cottage. Cottage is a group of people helping someone, and it is also used for a funeral procession. Right? So for more such words, do follow Verbal Edge. I hope it is helpful for you, and make a list. But try to go through the previous lesson also based on one word substitution, so that you get a good list for yourself. Thank you. Do follow Verbal Edge and share it with your friends as well. Thank you.